First one, sample space. What we did yesterday. Once again, what is sample space? A set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment. It is denoted by capital U. Now, example, toss a coin. U is equal to head, tail. Roll a dice. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Event, a subset of the sample space of a random experiment. It's called event, denoted by capital A, B, C, or A1, A2, A3, so on. Say for example, roll a dice. Possible outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I want to know probability of getting, or let's write just outcome that are odd. Outcomes that are odd. So in that case, I will say, what is the event for me? Event A denote that outcomes are odd. It means A is equal to 1, 3, 5. First example. Second example. Outcomes even. So we say event B denote that outcomes are even. So B is equal to 2, 4, 6. Now, over here, event A is a subset of sample space U, and event B is also a subset of sample space U. If I draw a Venn diagram for this, this is completely U. A is a subset in sample space U. It's a part of sample space. Complementary event. If U is a sample space and A is a event. If U is a sample space and A is the event, the set of all possible outcomes which are not in event A is called complementary event. It means what? Example. Say U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A is equal to 1, 3, 5. What will be a complement? 2, 4 and 6. You understood this? Okay. Denoted by a complement Venn diagram. This is U, this is A, remaining area is a complement. Intersection of events. If A and B are events of sample space U, if event A and B both occur together, they are called intersection of events A and B, denoted by A intersection B. Example, U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Say A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6. B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So A intersection B is equal to what? 5 and 6. We draw Venn diagram. Event A, event B, sample space U. This common is A intersection B. For example, a student wants to play football and is selected in the team of football, and that student also plays cricket and he is also selected in cricket. So फुटबॉल में भी वो फुटबॉल भी खेलेगा और क्रिकेट भी खेलेगा, दोनों खेलेगा. So A intersection B. ये वो प्लेयर्स है जो सिर्फ फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, ये वो प्लेयर्स है जो सिर्फ क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, और ये प्लेयर है वो दोनों खेलते हैं. That is A and B both. A person, say for example at your house, you have two newspapers. One is Gujarati and other is English. Now, if you read both, so you read English also as well as Gujarati. So both is happening together. That is A intersection B. Both event. Once again, I'm writing over here. Event A intersection B means what? Both A and B occur together. Both A and B occur together. You have to learn this because in exam you will not be given find A intersection B. You will be given find the probability that a person reads English as well as Gujarati. तो तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि ये क्या है, ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है, इंटरसेक्शन है, यूनियन है, and accordingly you have to apply the formulas. You understood this? Okay, तो सिर्फ A intersection B means what? Both A and B occur together, but both A and B occur together also means A intersection B. So you have to remember it both the ways. Got it? Union of events. If A and B are events of sample space U, event A or event B or both A and B occur together, or at least one of the two events occur, are called union of events, denoted by A union B. Example, U is equal to A is equal to B is equal to. Therefore, A union B is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Now समझाता हूँ ये ठीक है, ये तो ऐसे mechanically तो you can do it. That events of A and events of element B, but two newspaper, English and Gujarati. ठीक है? I want to find out that the student reads at least one newspaper. That the student reads at least one newspaper. यानी कम से कम एक न्यूज़पेपर तो स्टूडेंट पढ़ता ही है. It means what? At least one of the two events occur. So either A or B, either English or Gujarati or both. You understood this? So in the exam, the questions will be given like that, like this. Find the probability that the student reads at least one of the newspaper. So it will be what? Either English or Gujarati or both. Kam se kam ek. You understood this? So at that time, we have to use union of events. Now, if I draw a Venn diagram, B, all the elements of A as well as all the elements of B is A union B. Mutually exclusive events. If A and B are events of sample space U. The event that A and B, the event that A and B do not occur together is called mutually exclusive events, denoted by A intersection B is equal to null or empty set. Example, U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to 2, 4 and 6. Can they both happen together? Can you get odd also and even also? ऐसा possible है या odd होगा या even होगा. So A intersection B, there is nothing common, none. Venn diagram, A and B, no common. A intersection B is equal to null. Both cannot happen together. So can a student like you take commerce and science together? So that is not possible. Understood this? You can't be at different places at one time. So that is a mutually exclusive event. अभी तुम इधर हो, तो कहीं पे भी और हो नहीं. So it cannot happen together. कि you are in the class also and you are in the movie also. Say for example, a student is selected for football, then he cannot go and play cricket. Both the matches are at the same time. You understood this? Now difference event is A minus B and B minus A. It means what? Difference event A minus B means A occurs but B does not occur. A occurs but B does not occur. B minus A is B occurs but A does not occur. Now, A minus B. I'll give an example. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5. B is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. पता चला? ये पता चला क्या किया मैंने? Okay, sample space है, उसके दो events हैं. A minus B is equal to A occurs but B does not occur. तो A में से we remove elements of B. A में से we remove these elements of B. क्या element है A में? 4 and 5. So it will be 1 and 2. Now B minus A. B में से we remove elements of A. 3 and 6. You understood what is difference event? Now, if I draw Venn diagram, ध्यान दो, ये है A और ये है B. So only this area. ये जो दोनों का common है, वो नहीं आना चाहिए और B भी आना चाहिए नहीं. Over here, now A and B, only this area. B minus A. And this is A minus B. Now, over here, certain rules are there which are very important. A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. Venn diagram से भी समझ सकते हो, okay? कि A इंटरसेक्ट क्या कर रहा है B के अलावा बाकी सब, तो क्या रहेगा? यही रहेगा जो एलिमेंट्स ऑफ A है. ओके, देन सिमिलरली वी कैन राइट B minus A is equal to B intersection A complement. Or if you want to try it other way around, what is A? A is 1, 2, 4, 5. What is B complement 1 and 2? तो दोनों का intersection क्या है? 1 and 2. Understood this? Understood this? Yes. Okay. A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. Also, A minus B is equal to A minus A intersection B is also A minus A intersection B. Can you see this intersection? This area is intersection. तो A में से क्या निकाल दिया? इन दोनों का कॉमन, तो क्या मिला? A minus B. Understood this? Over here I'll write B minus A is equal to B minus A intersection B. Very important. Or can I say A minus B is also equal to A union B minus B. A union B, A union B यानी सब आ गया, उसमें से क्या निकाल दिया? पूरा B. Okay, anytime if you are stuck up, you make a Venn diagram. This is one of the best way of understanding it. Okay, similarly over here, B minus A is equal to A union B minus A. Even A and B are called exhaustive events if A union B is equal to U. If A union B is equal to U, यानी क्या? Example, U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is equal to 4, 5 and 6. What is A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which is equal to U. Understood this? Okay, इसका Venn diagram बनेगा ही नहीं because it's a complete sample space. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. अब ध्यान दो. Mutually exclusive means what? A intersection B is equal to null, and exhaustive is A union B is equal to U. दोनों condition होना चाहिए. क्या condition है? They have to be mutually exclusive and it has to be exhaustive. Now tell me, is this mutually exclusive or exhaustive? No, because what? Why? Because we have common 4 over here. So A union B is U, but A intersection B is 4. So there is an element over there. So example, U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is equal to 1, 3, 5. B is equal to 2, 4 and 6. Question 5. Write the sample space of the experiment of randomly selecting 3 numbers from first 5 natural numbers. So let's write first 5 natural numbers U. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to select 3. Let's say event A. So we can start with 1, 2. 1, 2 freeze कर दो because we want 3 numbers. 1, 2 के बाद 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. 1 और 2 को freeze कर दिया. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5. Then ये हो गया 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. Then 1, 3. Then take 1, 4. 1, 4, 5. That's it. Okay. Then 2, 3. So 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 5. Then 2, 4, 5. then 3, 4, then 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Question number 6. The sample space of random experiment of selecting a number u is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 20. Write the set showing the following events. First, selected number is an odd number. So A is equal to, what is odd? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. B, divisible by 3. So B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. And the third is divisible by 2 or divisible by 3. You understood this? Okay. Now divisible by 2 or 3. Now C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. Question 7. One family is selected from families having 2 children. The sex, male or female, of the children from this family is noted. State the sample space of the experiment and write the set showing the following events. Event A1. Now first let's find out U. Family having 2 children. So U is equal to, it can be girl, girl, okay, girl, boy, then boy, girl, and then boy, boy. So these are the 4 options. First is, we want to find that event A1, one child is a female. So what is event A1? E, G, and G, B. Okay, one child is a female guy. Okay. Now, at least second A2 is equal to at least one child is a female. So A1 is equal, A2 is equal to boy, girl, girl, boy, and girl, girl. You understood this? अच्छा ये कौन सा अभी टर्मिनोलॉजी किया हुआ है? At least यानी कौन सा? A union B. Okay, very good.